Hey guys, so either you were absent when we did Performance Matters in class, or I was absent and you were here, which means that you might have been working hard or you might have been hardly working. Either way, what we need to do is we need to knock off Performance Matters today. It's just an 18-question, 2-reading passage, standardized reading assessment. Now, I know that when I say those words, some of you guys tune me off immediately, but here's the thing. We really need to be able to kind of see where your reading is. For those of you who didn't try so much on the reading map that we did back in the fall, or for those of you who did, and we want to see how much you've grown. So, what you need to do is actually very simple. Let me show you. Go to our Schoology class, click on Quarter 2. In Quarter 2, you'll see something that says Performance Matters. When you get to Performance Matters, go ahead and click on this green puzzle piece, and you'll come to something that looks like this. When you get here, click Start. Now you're going to have the normal tools that you typically have, right? You can flag questions to come back to later, you can highlight, you can get rid of your highlights, and you have a choice eliminator. So if we click Start, and you see your first question is going to be about a passage called Saved by a Water Bomb. You've got a question, and so what you could do is you can go ahead and use your tools. If you don't know where your tools are, if you click on the drop-down menu right here, you've got your highlighter, so you can highlight in the passage, or you can go ahead and highlight in the question or the answer choices themselves. If you want to get rid of the highlights, you can also clear all the highlights. In addition to that, the answer eliminator, the choice eliminator is really helpful, so you can go ahead and kind of get rid of things that you don't think are going to be the right question. Now, at the bottom of every question, you'll go ahead and see the next button. Obviously, use that to proceed to the next question. But what about when you get to the end? On the last question, there is no next button you can hit. So, pretty simple. All we need you to do is go up here and click Submit Test. And that's it. So, don't spend too much time on any one question. At the same time, do your best. We want to see your best effort here, okay? And then in less than 30 minutes, you're done, okay? Good luck. Can't wait to see those results, and thank you for working hard.